So today I'm going to be changing out the AC compressor on this car. Dealership wanted ducks over there. Dealership wanted over $1,000 to do it. I said no. I'm going to do it myself, and I'm going to document it just to show everyone how easy it is. So, show you what's going on here. If I can flip this around, which I can't. What the? So this is obviously alternator. This is where the fan belt goes. Okay. Down here, this is the AC compressor, and if you look at this wheel, obviously broken, so that part needs to be replaced. I got the car all jacked up. Need to pull this panel, and the part is easily accessible under there once I pull that panel. Had to buy some parts and some tools. Manifold gauge set, pump, vacuum pump, new refrigerant to put in after I evacuate the old refrigerant oil. Here's the part. I got that on Amazon, 225 bucks, and the new receiver dryer, which is basically the filter, which they throw in there, which is nice. And the most important ingredient is my Southern Tier multi-pack for whatever mood you're in, although I usually drink one of each. So I will probably shut this off now until after I pull this panel, and then film the rest of it after.
A minute to myself, so I drift away. You will never get to me. What can be done, I'll do myself, so I can slip away. What's around, what's for? What's losing control? What's around, what's for? No one about to break. What's around, what's for? What's losing control? What's around, what's for? No one about to break. Face the burn, no escape, can you step to this? Face the burn, no escape, can you step to this? Face the pain, face the pain, ripping me into pieces. Face the burn, no escape, can you step to this? Face the burn, no escape, can you step to this? Face the pain, ripping me into pieces. Face this fear in front of me, I see the image of myself, so I can drift away. My blood runs deep, betrayed for me. A soldier's heart repairs himself.
I seem to have a helper now. What's up, buddy?
Nothing.
Nothing. So, that's that. And I will, once I get this all back together, I will show you what I do with the Freon and the vacuum pump and everything. Sorry, not Freon. 134 R134A, I guess it is now, environmentally friendly or whatever that crap is. So, okay. Is that funny? Yeah. All right. So it started raining last night, right when I was about to recharge this AC system, and you cannot have moisture in this system or you're screwed. So I decided to just wait till this morning. Then I realized that the refrigerant I bought, that bottle with the hose and everything, wasn't going to work because I needed to put oil in the system, and the connections that it came with, just it wasn't going to work out. So I returned that and just bought regular old cans of refrigerant, and I had to buy an extra valve, which is about 10 bucks. So I'm re-vacuuming the system right now, and once that's done, same thing as yesterday, I have to let it sit for about 45 minutes, make sure there's no leaks, which I don't see how there would be any more leaks now, but at least this way I'll be 100% sure that there's no moisture in the system. So then I will recharge it after that. Alright, another job completed. I am by no means a mechanic, and this took me about, well, because of running back and forth, if I would have just done it all at once and had everything I needed, definitely under 4 hours, maybe even 2 to 3 hours. So the dealership wanted $1,000, over $1,000. And actually, if they would have had to replace that fan belt themselves, because it needed to be replaced, it would have probably been at least $1,200. Then tax and everything, it probably would have been maybe even close to $1,500. So with my parts and everything, which were under $400, even at $100 an hour, if I, worst case, 4 hours, that's $800. I don't see $1,200 or $1,500 from the dealership. So once again, that proves that the dealership was trying to rip me off. I'm not going to take that shit. So anyway, glad the car's back up and running, and I don't know, now I've got to figure out something else to do. Have a good one.